From my perspective, the actual construction part is probably the easiest. It's everything that happens before that. And Mark and his team call that the pre-construction services. And I think that that's where they really make a significant difference.
Still the only thing you would change is this area here.
Yeah, it's the only thing that would change. The lobby.
Yeah.
We started construction in 2019, ended in December of 20. And so at one point in time I said to Mark, maybe we should shut the project down because of COVID. And Mark said, we can do that. We're taking all the precautionary measures that we should be. And if we shut the project down, I think it'll be worse, and especially for all the workers, than if we just keep it going. And so I didn't give it a second thought. We said, let's just move forward. These are people that I trust and that I have confidence in. And so when we've done remodeling projects or new projects, I've never had to think about price. And we know that the quality's there, and we trust the people that we're dealing with. Spend a significant amount of time in the pre-planning process. I don't know anybody else that provides those services like Stevens Construction. And we ended up building a 3-story, 60,000 square foot facility that you're sitting in now.